Listen to the story carefully. Story 153. Packing for the sky. Amir stood in front of his suitcase, staring at the list on his phone. All right, no mistakes this time. His travel assistant, Skylar, appeared on the screen. Let's make sure your packing is spot on. Remember the carry-on rules for flights in 2099. One bag under 10 kilograms and the liquids must be in small containers. Amir frowned, checking his shampoo bottle. Oh, this one's too big. I'll swap it with a smaller one. Good call, Skylar said. Also, for checked luggage, you can have up to 30 kilograms, but anything over that will cost extra. Amir zipped his bag, carefully following the guidelines. Done. But should I pack my phone charger in my carry-on or checked bag? Keep it in the carry-on, Skylar advised. If your luggage gets delayed, you'll need it on the plane. Amir smiled. Great, I'm ready to fly. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.